So the reason why it's gone a bit quiet on my YouTube front at the moment is because I got back from Thailand, had a day to recover and catch up. And next 2 days I was teaching full time. Felt a bit had a bit of a cough, nothing serious. And then the Friday I was teaching full time and I started to feel like severely ill. The next couple of days I was like completely wiped out in bed, but I thought maybe I've just got man flu. Can you say that? Is that sexist, man flu? I don't know, whatever. I thought I just had a virus. And then that continued. By the third day I thought, I don't think I'm quite right here. So I called 111, which in the UK is like a medical advisory service. And they said, get yourself to hospital. What's the matter with you? When I described my symptoms, which was uncontrollable coughing and diarrhea and like super high temperature, and clearly something was wrong. And so I went to hospital and they admitted me immediately, and I've got pneumonia. So it wasn't man flu at all, it was pneumonia and gastroenteritis. And I've been extremely ill for a couple of days in hospital, but they gave me intravenous antibiotics, which is what I'm on now. You can see my friend, Mr. Drip. Yeah, so I do feel a lot better. I'm definitely on the mend. I've been in here for 2 or 3 nights now. So that is why it's gone a bit quiet on my YouTube front. Before I got too sick though, on the 2 days that I was working full time, I also, a couple of clients came around, they said, oh, I love that video that you did in Thailand. I would love to be able to do that, to get up with a band and just play something. And I said, well, you can. Do you know what? I'm not the world's greatest saxophonist. I'm really not. Everything that I do is fairly simple and basic and straightforward. But it sounds nice because I'm hitting the right thing at the right time, and I've got a plan. I've got some strategy of what to do. And I can share that so easily. So I started writing, I started doing a couple of tutorials with my clients, working on things that you can do to be able to do that. And I wrote all the prep, and I was really excited about hopefully making a really good video for YouTube, which would go viral, and I'd become, like the Mr. Beast of the saxophone world. It's my ridiculous fantasy. So that has, all the prep for that has been done. I just need to video it and edit it and get it out. So hopefully I'll be able to get that out in the next week or so. So that's why you haven't heard from me. And that's my latest sad tale of woe update. I'm feeling so much better though. So thanks to the NHS in the UK, which is a pretty brilliant service. And I even lucked out on a private room. Look, I've got a private room, absolutely amazing. You don't get that in the UK, but it's got a private toilet, and I think it's because I had terrible constant diarrhea, and they weren't too sure, was 100% sure what was wrong with me, so they put me in here. So I really got lucky. Anyway, feeling much better. I'll let you go and stay tuned, because oh yeah, I have got something I want to tell you, but I can't because I'm not allowed. But I have got like a super amazing thing coming up on my YouTube channel. We've been talking about doing this for a while, and we've got the green light go ahead, and it's massively exciting. But in the short term, my own video about how to be able to jam with any band in any situation is also going to be quite cool. So do stay tuned. Thank you to all the people that have bought me coffees while I've been not very well, because that's super encouraging and thoughtful and lovely, supportive. And please like and subscribe. Please just hit the subscribe button, and that will help loads as well. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.